David Richard, nonchalantly, perhaps superciliously telling you, you need to know your vocab words if you're going to ace the critical reading section of the SAT. You're going to get hit with the vocab section as soon as you start the critical reading section. 6 to 8 questions. You really want to use flashcards to study, know the SAT vocab words. There's only one way to do it. Flashcards, rote memorization. If you read a lot of books, it'll come naturally. You'll know what the words mean. If you don't read a lot, you have to memorize via flashcards. Then you go to the passages. A lot of students struggle with these sections because they try to read the entire passage and then go to the questions. That's not the way to do it. You want to go question by question, and the questions usually are chronological. They'll start asking about the start of the passage, and they'll progress to the end of the passage, and then they'll ask some more global, broad questions about the passage as a whole. And you might see those broad questions at the very start of the section, or at the end. So if you see them at the start, you want to save them till the end, because by going through all the questions, you're going to work your way through the passage just by answering the questions chronologically. And if they ask a broad question at the start, you want to save that broad question until you've read the whole passage. Now, it's extremely important that you bring your own answer to the table before you look at the multiple choice questions. They're going to have things that kind of make sense. You're going to second guess yourself. You just really need to train your brain, train yourself not to immediately jump to the multiple choice answers. Look at the question, think about what you would say the answer would be if there were no choices. If you had to write out an answer, what would you say? Think about that, and you'll just fly through the questions. You'll find that a lot of the things that you thought would be the right answer if you were just to kind of come up with your own thing without any choices, that'll almost be verbatim sometimes what the choice says. Then obviously you know the answer. So, until next time, subscribe. I'm David Richard.